Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton, owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Service and your KSC bidding consultant and the owner of the KSC building. So I'm here at the Pirates account, except for I'm sitting outside waiting for the team. You know, somebody stole my company van and totaled it. So now I gotta bring them each night. I'll tell y'all, I've been pushing. I've been really having to make sure my accounts are serviced. Regardless, I have a contractor that has pneumonia. He has 4 accounts. Most of them are on the same day. Then I have some accounts that I do myself. It's just been a lot. So it's been, and then the project, the hospital project, we just completed that on Thursday. Thank God. I mean, I just couldn't do the day and keep doing the day and the night. It's just too much. But today, I went to a place called Pay and Pull or something. One of my team said they sell used cars. I go up there, don't I see a van? It's a Chrysler like mine was, except it's a 2013. Mine was a 21, but it looked the same. It fits the same amount of people in the inside. I can fit the same amount of equipment, so it's almost like identical to the van I lost. And I can get it for $1,800. It probably need like $1,000 worth of work. No car note. So I swear it's a blessing, because now I could take my vehicle off the business where it makes it higher because of the year of my car, and put the van on there as a commercial vehicle where I won't have so much of an expense. So where things were meant for bad, God's turning it in for good for me. Yeah, because I'm eliminating a car note. I'm eliminating that high insurance because of my son. Because if I put that vehicle under the business, he can't drive it because the business insurance won't insure him. So either way it go, I'm going to be made whole again, even if it's not a new vehicle. I didn't care what kind of vehicle, as long as I can carry my equipment. And then I got an opportunity today that if I'm awarded, I need my van to carry equipment. So it's just moving right along, y'all. Like one trial after another just makes the situations better. It's working out for my good. So yeah, it's nice out here today, and look at the scenery. Yeah, so it's nice out here. It's nice. They're almost done. Let me come sit outside, enjoy this air, since I have to be out here and be awake. Yep, so that's what's going on with me, y'all. Excuse me. I'm telling you, I've had so much opportunities hit me since my mom passed, and I use that as a benchmark, because April 1st is when I got the 2 new accounts, and it has been non-stop since. I'm not complaining, but I just can't find enough people. That's why I'm out here cleaning. I can't find the people. And the contractors, they want contracts with $1 million or something, you know? Like, they want the accounts I'm trying to get. Well, I can't help them, so they can't help me. So, I don't know. But I'll figure it out. It ain't got to the point where I got to go to an agency yet, but that'll be my last resort. If I can't find enough people to service my accounts, I will go to an agency and get some people that way. What I'm gonna do? I can't do them all. So that's a thought to do. Just like going through an agency is just like the experience we had with the union laborers, because you don't know what kind of people you're going to get. You don't know if they know how to clean. You don't know anything about them. They do consider themselves vetting the people, but you just still never know. Yeah, so I don't just want a body, I want performance. So just having a body is not sufficient. I need somebody who's either teachable or who knows how to clean. And everybody thinks they know how to clean, so I'll say they'll be teachable enough to learn my procedures. So it's kind of busy around here. I'm sitting out here, it's kind of busy. Yeah. What time is it? It's like 2:30 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, I haven't done this in a long time. And we have to do this until September. This contract is 6 months. It's from April to September. So we gotta come here overnight till September. It's like 7 days on, 7 days off. Yep, so we almost on our off week and I cannot wait. I need a really good night, hard sleep. Yeah, I know you can't make up sleep, but I just need a good night's sleep so I can feel like myself again, because my body don't know if I should be up in the day or up in the night. Eating habits done change. I gotta get myself back on balance. Alright, y'all, I think I talked enough. I'm waiting for the team. It's starting to be too much activity around me. I need to pay attention to my surroundings. So I'll talk to you guys later.